Hello, my name is
Engelbert Hager, and I'm responsible for product management and sales at AMO. Today, I'd like to introduce the new rotational speed sensor for main spindles. It was designed for use mainly on lathes and milling machines and is based on the proven inductive scanning principle from AMO. The device consists of two components. Since they employ the inductive scanning method, they are very insensitive to contaminants like oil, lubricants, and grease. The sturdy and compact design of the scanning head is very impressive. The measuring ring, on the other hand, is very thin and can be supplied in diameters ranging from 80 millimeters to about 200 millimeters. The sensor permits a maximum speed of 60,000 revolutions per minute. A significant new feature of the rotational speed sensor is the acquisition of operating status data. Operating status data are acquired during the entire time that the spindle is in use, and the data are stored in the scanning head. Important data that are acquired include the number of operating hours, the number of direction reversals, the number of stops, and the number of tool changes. Extreme values are also of interest, meaning data about maximum temperature, the maximum acceleration, and the maximum speed. Another topic is the data that are stored in case of an alarm. These include, for example, the supply voltage, the speed at the time of the alarm, the temperature, and so on. All of this data can also be exported for offline evaluation. So let's take a look at the data and the evaluation together now. Here we see a histogram of the rotational speed. We have divided the rotational speed into 8 ranges. You can divide them any way you want. The histogram provides information on the amount of time that the spindle was in motion in each of the speed ranges. The same applies to the temperature. You can divide the temperature into 4 ranges. And here we also see the information about the temperatures that predominated during operation of the spindle. Both diagrams combined together result in this diagram. Here, for each rotational speed range, you see the number of operating hours based on the respective temperatures. As a spindle manufacturer, you can analyze and evaluate this information and thus make conclusions about planned maintenance and servicing activities. Gear wheels are often used as graduations in spindles. They can be scanned by the rotational speed sensor. This lets you implement this innovative product without any large design changes. If you have any questions about the new WMK3010 rotational speed sensor, please contact our sales department.